base it, clear it, sand it, polish it, unmask it, and back on the car. Little hand polishing around the edge for where your clear stuff. We will jam it out around the corner and then paint it back to about here.
Wow.
I found that to be a good thing to do there. We didn't do any body work inside. We scuffed the epoxy primer and painted it in single stage so you can see all of the working of the metal. There's no filler, none whatsoever inside, as you can see. Grinder marks, all the hammer marks, all the seams. It's really cool, actually. It would have been an absolute waste of time. You never see it, and yet that's how it was made, you know? So in 50 years, somebody looks at it and goes, wow, there's the seam. Because the outside, you did all the body work. Filler work. Yeah, so that's what we're getting ready to do there.
Perfect.
Yeah. The body's getting painted this weekend. Base coat dry for 24 hours prior to clear coating. But you want the solvents to escape the base coat. Absolutely important. And with two tones, the second color is going to be 6 coats of base. Because you want to base the whole thing one color, mask off the color you don't want the second color to go to, paint the second color, unmask the whole thing. And then we let it dry overnight, right? Then we'll come back in and clear it. That's what it looks like we're doing. There's a lot.